How to delete Bitget account. First of all, open your Bitget application on your device. Once you open the app, make sure to log into your account. If necessary, after signing in from the main homepage, go ahead and tap on the profile picture appearing at the top left corner. Now tap on My Account at the top right. At the bottom of your profile, tap on Close Account. To confirm closing out your account, click on Close Account. Once again, to close your account, you must first close or sell your positions and withdraw your account balance. Go through a process and complete all of those before proceeding to delete your account. Go ahead and complete the following steps one by one, and then tap on Close Account. Click on I understand at the bottom. On the next page, also don't forget to go through the information. Remember that before proceeding to delete your account, your assets in your account must be withdrawn and all the transactions must be closed as well. The trading and login functions will no longer be accessible. Once you proceed to close your accounts, your private keys and all authorized devices will be removed as well. Your verified identity information will be deleted and no rewards will be distributed to your account. So to confirm deleting, tap next and enter your login password and tap on submit. After you do that, you will then be able to delete your Bitget account and you will receive a confirmation either through email or the platform itself about the account closure. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.